Hi, Steve Black, J.Racenstein, and today we're going to talk a little bit about protecting the windows with a sealer after you clean them. There's a couple of reasons why you might want to protect it, and with ProTool 3-star barrier, and most of the time people are using this protection to make their job easier. You've got that bank building that has 2 or 3 windows, that has hard water stains on the lower windows. You like the account, you want to keep it, the bank manager doesn't want to pay for the restoration, so you may be restoring it for them, all right? And instead of having to go actually do a restoration each time, if you're on a quarterly or whatever, put a little 3-star barrier on there, you'll be able to wash that hard water stain right off. So a lot of people doing that. Woman has a window above her sink. She gets splashes on the sink, and it happens pretty quickly after the windows are clean. A little 3-star barrier on there, keep that cleaner longer. So how do I use it? 3-star barrier is a 1 gallon to 1 bottle. You could do a half a gallon to half a bottle and set the other side for a little while. Long shelf life, probably in that environment, 6 months. Once you put the 3-star barrier in your bucket, add a gallon of water to it, put a lid on it, it'll last for 3 months in the bucket mixed. And it does over 10,000 square feet of glass. So, wash the window, clean mop, clean bucket with your barrier, wash it again with this, squeegee it off. You got a 3-month to 6-month protection on that glass.